Hi guys, if set the time zone automatically option has grayed out or not turning on your Windows 11 PC like this, then let's see how to fix it. So here is the first method. To enable the location services, first of all right click on the start button and then go to settings and then go to privacy and security. And on the privacy and security, scroll down and under the app permissions, click on location. And now here make sure location services is turned on, and then also make sure this option let apps access your location is also turned on, and then scroll down. And now here make sure this option let desktop apps access your location is also turned on. So simply turn it on. And once you have enabled all these location services, this and this and this, then simply close the settings window and then go to a start menu and click on power option and simply restart your computer. And once your computer restarts, go and check your date and time settings and the issue will be fixed. You can also fix this issue by enabling auto time zone updater. So for that, simply go to Windows search and type services and simply open it. And now on the services window, find auto time zone updater service. Here it is, and simply double click on it. And now on its properties, go to General tab and then click on the drop down menu of a Startup tab. Simply click here and select the option Automatic. And in case the services status is stopped, then simply click on Apply and then click on the Start button. And now it will start running. Then simply click on OK. And once the auto time zone updater is running, simply close the services tab and now go and check and the issue will be fixed. You can also fix this issue by synchronizing time with a different server. So for that, simply right click on the start menu and then click on run. And now here type timedate.cpl and then click on OK. And now on date and time dialog box, go to Internet Time tab and then click on change settings. And now here make sure this option synchronize with an internet time server is selected. And from the server drop down menu, click here and select a different server like this. And once you select the different server, simply click on update now button. And now you will see this success message. The clock was successfully synchronized with the server on this date and time. So now simply click on OK and then click on OK. And once you have synchronized time with a different server, now go and check and the issue will be fixed. If you are on a Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise Edition, then simply follow these steps and the issue will be fixed. So for that, first of all, go to Windows search and type gpedit. And now from the search result, open edit group policy option. And now on the local group policy editor, simply go to the computer configuration option and then click on administrative templates and then go to Windows components. And under the Windows components, simply scroll down and find location and sensors and simply click on it and then click on Windows location provider. And now from the Windows location provider window here, simply double click on turn off Windows location provider settings. And now from the turn off Windows location provider dialog box, simply select the option not configured and then click on apply and then OK. And then simply close local group policy editor Now click on a start button and then go to power option and then simply restart your computer to apply the changes. Once your computer restarts, go and check if set the time zone automatically grayed out issue has been fixed or not. And to check that, simply right click on the time on the taskbar and then click on adjust date and time option. And now the date and time window will appear. And here you can see the set time zone automatically grayed out issue has been fixed. And when you try to enable it, it is enabling perfectly. You can see. And from now on, you can turn it off or on without any issue. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily fix set the time zone automatically option has grayed out or not turning on Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.